fight against inflation, the RBI has hiked the repo rate 6 times since May 2022, taking the repo rate from 4% to 6.5%. It hit the pause button in the previous MPC meeting, keeping the rate hikes unchanged at 6.5% on the back of easing retail inflation and the need to push for more economic growth. Now, in the recent 3-day meeting that concluded this morning, the RBI governor made an announcement. They're keeping the rates unchanged once again. However, the Monetary Policy Committee also decided on the withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation gradually aligns with the target while still supporting growth. Now, speaking of inflation, let's take a look at the latest data. In April, India witnessed a significant drop in retail inflation, with the rate declining from 5.66% in March to 4.7%. Now, the current level of inflation is within the target range of the Reserve Bank of India, which targets an inflation rate between 2% to 6%. Now, the good news is that inflation seems to be on a downward trend, and there are a couple of factors at play here. Firstly, the previous rate hikes have a lag effect on the economy. Now, monetary policies take some time to fully kick in and have their desired impact. So we need to allow that time for the policy to play out and transmit into the economy. Secondly, the high base effect is also contributing to easing inflation. However, there's one potential threat: global crude oil prices. Now, if there's a rebound in oil prices due to production cuts in major oil-producing countries, it could pose a challenge. Now, the RBI governor, Mr. Das, has also made it clear that their ultimate goal is to achieve a 4% inflation target. Now, simply staying within the range of 2% to 6% isn't enough for the governor, and he wants to bring it closer to 4%. Having said that, the RBI's decision to pause the rate hike for the second time provides some relief to the markets. Now, investors and businesses are always watching these policy decisions closely because they can have ripple effects on various sectors of the economy. So this pause is like a breath of fresh air for them and the markets. As we know, BSNL, the state-owned telecommunication giant, has gone through turmoil in the last few years. In another move to boost the fortunes of the BSNL, the Union Cabinet has approved a revival package of Rs 89,000 crore for the allotment of 4G and 5G spectrum. Now, this recent revival package accounts for the third handout given to BSNL in the last 4 years. The total amount injected into BSNL now amounts to a massive 3.2 trillion rupees. Interestingly, these packages do not involve any cash outgo on the part of the government, but are mostly in the form of equity infusion. This means that the government takes up more stake in BSNL, and as a result, the authorized capital of BSNL will be raised from 1.5 trillion to 2.1 trillion. Now, though the third lifeline is to provide 5G services, BSNL has not been able to provide 4G services till date and has been losing market share all along the way. Now, talking about financials, while revenue and operating profit showed improvement, net losses widened to 16% to about 8,161 crores compared to the previous year. However, the government's infusion has improved the balance sheet position, and according to Communication Minister, BSNL is expected to become net debt-free in the next 3 years and turn net profitable by fiscal year 27. Now, only time will tell whether the latest and last fund infusion can deliver a turnaround for the struggling state operator. While I say this is me, Merlin Zdana, signing off. Take care and stay invested.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app, Informed Investor, to watch more such informative and interesting videos.
Equity investments are subject to market risk. Read all investment-related documents carefully. Visit www.researchandranking.com.